Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share my passion for plastic and reconstructive surgery. Here you will find an informative knowledge content, case studies, and surgical practical tips, all designed to help you improve your knowledge and skills to achieve your goals. Follow me to learn more about the basic principles of plastic surgery, which include the structure and function of the skin, knowing the blood supply of the skin, classification and geometry of flaps, basic surgical skills which include the suture material, suture techniques, and wound healing. Secondly, we will talk about the upper limb, including the embryology, examination of the upper limb, congenital hand differences, flexor and extensor zone injury and how to repair, and the prognosis of each zone. Tendon injury and the basics of tendon repair, nerve injury and the basics of nerve repair. Also, we will talk about the brachial plexus injury, fingertip injury, and how to repair. In the third part, we will talk about the lower limb and the basics of lower limb reconstruction, including the Gastello-Anderson classification, how to examine the lower limb flaps, bed sores, and how to manage and classification of the bed sores, and some talks about the lymphedema. The fourth part include the head and neck, focusing in the cleft lip and palate, craniofacial abnormality and their classification, the neck levels and dissection, ear reconstruction. Also, we will learn more about burn, soft tissue lesions, and a lot of important topics in plastic surgery will be covered. In this channel, I will try to make the concept of plastic surgery easier for better understanding in a simple way. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get ready to scrub in and learn with us. Thank you for watching.